There's a lot more companion plants that we've got on our list, but one that people always want to grow, it seems. It's one of the top plants. It's the number one plant that people grow in their garden is tomatoes because, the backyard grown tomato tastes a lot different than the tomatoes you typically get in the store. And there's a number of companion plants that we love growing with them during the summertime. And carrots actually fits the bill, as well as some celery. Actually, celery with if you can put the celery on the shade side of your tomato plant. So let's say you got a tomato plant growing and then you create the microclimate for your microclimate. So it creates some afternoon shade. Celery does great on the east side of your tomato plant. And it'll help grow it up because it needs a little bit of shade in order to not get too bitter or too salty, unless you like that. But if you want to eat it fresh and raw, then you're going to need to make sure that your celery has some good shade so it doesn't get too crazy bitter. Onions, another good one you can plant with it. And some very traditional ones is your marigolds. Marigolds are great to grow around your tomatoes. Peppers can also grow around tomatoes. Basil can grow around tomatoes. All great things to be growing around your tomatoes. So you can pretty much do your tomato, your salsa garden is all about companion planting.
I was going to say, this is what we call salsa seasoning.
Exactly.
And there's a great grinder, a food processor that's a hand crank, and it has different sizes you can buy on it. But as you just crank it and you turn the handle and push the food down and it turns it up, and you could just make your own salsa right there, real time. Put in your variety of
just chop it all down to different sizes.
Pepper, tomato, put it through the mill all at the same time it comes out. Nice, fresh.
Hand crank sounds. I like mechanical kind of stuff rather than getting the little blender style ones that you get. So I'd much rather have a chunky, nice chip down salsa.